The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. Acar Hu is a beloved Nyonya pickle from Penang, Melaka, and Singapore. Firm Spanish mackerel cutlets are fried crisp and golden, then submerged in a vibrant turmeric vinegar marinade with shallots, garlic, and chilies. The result is bright, tangy, and deeply aromatic, transforming a simple catch into an intense flavor bomb. For the best experience, let the fish soak in the marinade overnight, allowing the spices to fully penetrate the crispy flesh. Main ingredients: Spanish mackerel, whole, 1 manis, salt, 1 teaspoon, cooking oil, 4 tablespoons, aromatics, shallots, 8, garlic cloves, 8, fresh turmeric, 7.5 cm knob, chilies, 2, pickling liquid, vinegar, 1/2 cup, sugar, 4 teaspoons, salt to taste. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps. 1. Cut the fish. Slice the Spanish mackerel crosswise into 1 cm cutlets, keeping the bone in each piece. The bone helps the cutlets hold together and adds flavor to the pickle. Wash the cutlets well under cold water and drain thoroughly in a colander. Salt the cutlets. Rub a little salt into each cutlet, coating both sides. Set aside on a rack to air dry while you prepare the aromatics. 3. Slice the aromatics. Peel the shallots and garlic. Slice both very thinly into even rounds. Peel the fresh turmeric and slice it thinly as well. 4. Sun-dry the slices. Spread the shallot, garlic, and turmeric slices on a tray and dry them in the sun for 2-3 hours or in a very low oven food dehydrator. Sun-drying removes excess moisture so the aromatics stay crisp in the pickle and don't turn soggy. 5. Prep the chilies. Halve the chilies, remove the seeds, and shred the flesh very thinly into fine slivers. Dry the shreds well so they keep their bright color and bite in the marinade. Cooking steps. 1. Fry the fish. Heat the 4 tablespoons cooking oil in a wide frying pan over medium-high heat. When the oil is hot, fry the mackerel cutlets in a single layer until evenly browned and crisp on both sides, about 3-4 minutes per side. Do not crowd the pan, fry in batches if needed. Drain on absorbent paper. 2. Arrange the fish. Lay the fried cutlets as flat as possible in a single layer in an enamel bowl or earthenware jar, a non-reactive, wide vessel that lets the marinade reach every piece. Make the turmeric oil. Pour off all but 1 tablespoon of the frying oil from the pan. Add the dried turmeric slices to the pan and fry gently over low heat until the oil turns a deep golden yellow. The turmeric stains and perfumes the oil. Remove and discard the fried turmeric slices. Their job of coloring and flavoring the oil is done. 4. Build the pickling liquid. To the yellow turmeric oil, add the 1/2 cup vinegar, 4 teaspoons sugar, and a pinch of salt. Bring to a boil, then lower the heat and taste. The balance should be tangy sweet with enough salt to round it out. Adjust with more salt or sugar if needed. 5. Assemble the pickle. Sprinkle the shredded chilies and the dried shallot and garlic slices evenly over the fried fish cutlets. Pour the hot turmeric vinegar mixture over everything, ensuring the fish is submerged. Press the aromatics down gently so they settle between the cutlets. 6. Let it pickle. Cover the bowl or jar and let the fish soak in the vinegar mixture for at least 6 hours at room temperature. Or, best of all, refrigerate overnight. The fish is most flavorful the next day, once it has fully absorbed the golden, sweet-sour marinade.